Hi kids, I have sensory activity today. It's about feeding the farm animal. I wonder how the farm animal eat. Let's feed them together with me. Yay! I have some friends over here. Who knows what are they? This one, the pink one, is the pig. Oink, 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 oink. And this one, the white one, the sound is like this. Moo, moo. I am a cow. And the yellow one, the sound is like this. Cluck, 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 cluck. I'm a chicken. And I'm a hen. Yay! They are coming from the farm. Let's make. Now I have the house for them. This is the barn, and let them play over here. But do you forget something, Miss Siti? Oh, okay, I know. They need some food to eat. Let's fill the barn with the food. Okay, you can get out first. Okay, I will get out. Yahoo! I have a lot of food for my friends. And I still have some more. And some more for you, friends. Woohoo! Friends, now you can get inside. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, you move here. Cluck, 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 cluck. Moo. Oink, 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 oink. I'm hungry, friends. Okay, I will feed you up. Get ready. Yum, 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 yum. It's so yummy. How about you, cow? Yum, 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 yum. And also you, pig. So yummy. Yay. Let's eat together. Let's eat together. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Thank you, friends, for feeding us. Now we are already full. And I think I need sleep. I need to sleep. Let's sleep together. How do you feel after you play this sensory activity? I hope you have so much fun. This activity helps us to maintain our focus, and also it's good to develop our creative imagination. Have a nice try. Bye bye, kids.